Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam, and if you love luxury fashion, then you're definitely going to love my channel. So make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram for all of the latest updates, and today, let's get right into it. So in today's video, I have my very first Hermes unboxing, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys, so let's go ahead and open the package. For the packaging, of course, we have the normal orange Hermes box, and the box alone is just so iconic and so beautiful. I really do love it, and it's wonderful for packaging. When you open up the box, you can see the beautiful dinner plate set. Now, this is a set, so you do get two for the price of one, which is really, really great. I really do love this because I love the shade of blue. It's so simple, yet so classic and so beautiful. And on the inside, it does come with a little notebook with some information about Hermes. Taking a closer look at the plates, you can see the beautiful detail of it. I really do love the flower in the middle of it. I think it's just so beautiful. And it's actually like a flower developing into multiple of them. So I think that's really, really cool. I really do love the details on it. I think it's just so beautiful and just so elegant. For some information on these dinner plates, they were created in China in the 13th century, and they were actually the first blue and white porcelain plates to really be spread out throughout the area. So then eventually they did reach to the princely courts of Europe in the 16th century, which is really cool, and I just love knowing that fact. It was also influenced by Japan, Persia, and Turkey, which is really cool because I'm actually part Turkish, so I really do love that. And then also Portugal and the Netherlands. So just some information that I really like to know. On the back, it will look like this, so super beautiful. I really do love it. Now, I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a hot air balloon or an Hermes logo. Kind of looks like an H at the bottom of the balloon. I personally think it is a hot air balloon, but either way, I really do love it. And then also, these are dishwasher and microwave safe, so that's also a plus. For the measurements, it will be 6.5 inches going in both height and in width. So like I said, I really, really do love these plates. I think they are so worth it. I think they are just so absolutely beautiful, and I absolutely love them. Once again, they are made out of porcelain. So, you can go ahead and hear that. Really lovely plate, and I would 100% recommend it. And of course, we have to see how amazing this looks for decor. So we can go ahead and see that having these plates on the shelf is just so amazing, so cool, and definitely, definitely worth it. So altogether, I'm just so happy with my purchase. I really do love Hermes. This is just so good, and it's just so elegant and pretty to look at every day. It's not too much, it's not too bright, it's not crazy looking. It's just really pretty and super elegant. And I do have a video coming up later on this year about Hermes and why it's so expensive and just every good thing about Hermes. So if you're interested in that, that will be coming later this year. And altogether, I'm just so happy with my purchase. Okay, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment down below. Tell me if there's any pieces that you would like to collect, and have a great day. Au revoir.